Hello everybody, it's officially the Easter holidays. Normally at the museum we would offer family activities. We obviously can't do that this time, so I thought I'd bring an activity from my home to your home. Today we're going to be using a glass milk bottle. It follows the theme from our Talking Treasure this week. We invited people to pick up the phone, speak to an older relative or friend and ask them about their memories of a glass milk bottle. I've had some lovely conversations with my relatives and friends, and the main thing that sticks out in my head is that Blue Tits used to peck the foil cap that was on top of the milk bottle to get the cream off the top of the milk. So I thought, birds, milk, Blue Tits, milk, why not make a bird feeder out of a milk bottle? Obviously we can't cut into the glass, so we're going to use a milk bottle we find today. So I'm going to show you through pictures the different stages of how to make the bird feeder, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed that activity. I certainly had a lovely time with my daughter. We'd love to see your creations and how you've decorated your bird feeder, so please do share them with us.